Good morning. I hope you're having a good day. We're currently testing this Rockstar Pure Zero. I think the orange flavor is probably my favorite. If you want to see that video, just click the link in the description so you know if it's keto friendly or not. I assume it is because it's got sucralose in it, but 240 milligrams of caffeine in one shot. Who knows? We will definitely see. I got to get back to editing this video here. So you've seen that she was low, 0.2. We don't know why. I'm not going to question her on it. But she's going to have these two fat bombs that we made yesterday and a keto coffee. The keto coffee has about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and about 2.5 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and a teaspoon of stevia and obviously coffee. Let's hope it fixes you.
Working on getting back into ketosis because I might have drank 2 Shocktops last night. It's been a stressful week.
Just prick your finger.
Ow, gosh.
You moved down like that. Squeeze it out first. A little more than that. As much as you can. Like pump it. Alright, that might work. Just test it. Looks like it's going to. 1.0.
All right, that's
You
good.
have to be happy about that, right?
Yeah, coffee and 2 fat bombs. No more Shocktop.
Wait. On our way to go help Amanda's dad move out of his house. Jackson's gonna do most of the work though. I'm gonna just watch. That's what I feel like doing. Whew, let's get it done. I really have to say that was so much worse than I had thought it was going to be. But at least it's over with now. It's like, let's see here, 3:17 and I haven't had anything to eat, so no fat in my diet today, which is not good. So we got to go change that. I'm not sure what I'm going to have, but I am starving at the moment. So let's do something. Let's move off with a nice salad and an unsweet tea. Peaches in your salad, Grandma?
Yeah. Bad.
Chase, you look like you could be a lumberjack.
Yeah.
Gonna have about, I would say that's close to 8 ounces of grilled chicken, and that's about 30 grams of baked potato. I normally do not eat that, but we're going to have some of it today and enjoy it. Brent and Jessica. Mom showed up. She's always got to be dressed all fancy and stuff. Alright, so we didn't get much fat out of that meal we just ate, so I highly suggest after you go out and eat something like that, come back home, have some kind of fats. We're going to do extra virgin olive oil because that's what Grandma has. We're going to do 2.5 tablespoons. So this is a tablespoon.
That is so nasty.
Grandma, it's good for you. Just accept it.
Yeah, right.
Alright, so that's 2, and I'm just going to do about a half of that. Cause, I mean, I could do 3 full ones. It doesn't really matter. But again, it's not hard to shotgun something like this.
That is so nasty.
It's not that bad. It really isn't. I've tasted worse things. There you go. Make it happen, man. Good job.
You can. You can see all the scope. You can see everything clear, right? Just put that crosshair on them. Ooh, buddy.
All right, Amanda is going to end her day at 0.6, but she is going to have 3 keto fat bombs. I am going to have, this is one of those bratwursts cut up that I fried. About 2 ounces of sausage and 2 eggs. This is a perfect keto, 1 scoop, 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil, and about 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. I guess we could check mine real quick. Hopefully you can see that on the screen. Let's see here. What's going on with the lighting here? It's weird. All right, 1.7 is where I'm at now, and I'm obviously eating a ton of fat, so that should definitely help out. If I'm up late enough, I may test it in an hour or so. I'm not sure, but that is how I'm deciding to end my day. There it goes. I guess that's a little better. What a really long day. Oh, moving everything out of that house was like a mess. It was not fun, to say the least. Somehow I cracked my front of my phone. Who knows when I did that. I didn't drop it, so it must have been like a pressure crack. So anyway, it doesn't matter. Phone still works. Hopefully it'll fly my drone, because tomorrow I'll have to fly for a realtor, a couple different properties with my drone, and I control my drone with my phone. So I'll be taking my drone and my iPad, just in case for some reason my phone fails. I think I might have said I might be taking, I don't know. Doesn't matter. I got to take my phone, I got to take my iPad to fly the drone. Always have backup. I always take a few micro SD cards too, just in case one fails for some crazy nonsense reason. I had a little bit of potato today. It wasn't like a weakness. I just decided, hey, I wanted to have some of this, and I didn't think 30 grams would be that big a deal. It did drop my ketones down a little bit though, so it did matter that I ate that. It did. Drinking the olive oil was definitely a good idea. I'm glad that I did that, because had I not, it probably would have been more detrimental to my ketones. And then last night, by the time I got home, so we ate that meal at 3. That was the first time I actually ate all day, so I went 7 hours before I ate again, and it was 10 o'clock, and yeah, I should have just had like a keto fat drink and then went to sleep, but I was starving, and I was afraid that I'd be laying in bed like just hungry and not be able to sleep, so I went ahead and had that. Tomorrow morning we will check our ketone levels just to see where they're at. After all that, I'm probably going to fast the entire day. No reason that I'm doing it. I've been trying to fast at least like once a week, and it's usually on Mondays, and I work on Mondays, so I'd rather fast on a Sunday. But you don't have to fast. It's just something I've been kind of implementing a little bit. I just feel like it's been beneficial for me. It like makes me feel better. But anyway, you can figure out how you want to do it. Next week I'm going to start doing intermittent fasting, like real intermittent fasting, so I won't have my keto coffee in the morning. I'll make that keto coffee, that way I can have it at lunch, but I will fast all the way until lunch every day. So I may be fasting for quite a while starting tomorrow morning. But anyway, hope you got something out of this video. Until the next one, keep it keto.